What's up, boys and girls? We are. My mic is so good right now. Okay, it might be too loud, but better than being fucking where I can't even post anything because it's too not loud. So we're gonna talk about today. So today was a interesting day. I was thinking we were gonna short previous previously today, and I will show you why. So we'll talk about NQ and we'll talk about ES also. That's cool. So ES basically like so. Where the fuck are we? Okay. So I wasn't waiting for the 15-minute like I usually do. So like this shit's teaching me like, hey motherfucker, you better fucking listen to your fucking strategy, bro. You know what I'm saying? Stop doing other shit, bro. And that's my biggest thing, bro. Like I'm getting excited because I'm able to predict the market. I'm able to kind of try new things, but then I gotta like stick to what fucking works, bro. And that's the main thing. So 15-minute did this, right? But I didn't see that until I saw this. So I saw a big ass candle down, took out London lows and pre-market lows. So I was like, oh shit, are we gonna sell? So I went to the 1 hour, right? And it's kind of hard to be able to see right now, but put my glasses on, it's easier. So I did this at equilibrium. We hit equilibrium, right? So I was like, oh shit, and we hit equilibrium, and we went down. I was like, fuck, dude. Okay, maybe it'll be some like sells of the day, like a continuation. So I marked this up for a fair value gap, and then obviously it broke that fair value gap, and then I believe the same thing happened here. I mean, I did my equilibrium. Sorry, I know I'm not the best at you know explaining things, but I will get better. I tell you. So 5 minute broke structure, fair value gap right here, and it ran through that fair value gap. So I was like, oh, okay. So I deleted this. I was like, It just reversed, and then I looked at this and I saw SMT. And I was like, fuck, okay. And there's an SMT. Shit. Okay. So obviously, NQ, lagging indicator, ES, non-lagging indicator. You guys are gonna laugh at me probably from what I did though. But so it inversed. I was like, oh shit, it inversed. And mind you, I'm thinking about passing the account, bro. Subconsciously, I'm thinking about passing the fucking account. Subconsciously. I was like, okay, it's going up. So I broke my rules. And we're all human, bro. This shit happens, bro. I broke my rules. And where did I what did I trade off? I traded off a here. Bro, I traded off a no retracement. No retracement, which is so the market always wants to retrace. Every time it wants to go up or down, it always retraces. Always, bro. So I looked at this. I was like, oh shit, we broke structure again on the 1 minute. That little red retracement candle. Oh my god, we're going up. So then I bought. And then right here, got stopped out fucking fast. But I risked very little. Very fucking little. So whatever. Then on this trade, I got back in. I double dipped. Not the greatest thing to do also to double dip, but hey, I did it. So when it inversed, it made this fair value gap. It made a beautiful retracement into the fair value gap at what was this? 10 a.m. Beautiful retracement back into the fair value gap. This was the retracement. And then it broke structure on the 1 minute, and then it inversed. So then I bought right here. Right? That's a 283. That's fucking nice. And then I put it below this below this low. Cause I don't really gotta put it below the 5 minute fair value gap just because it wicked like it low key closed below it. So I just put it below this. Whatever. That was my thinking on it. I like it. I like what I did. So obviously I could have hit something even up here. Like if I waited. I mean I could have gravitated and probably would have still been a good risk reward if I like was still trying to get more confirmation. But I mean, it was confirmation of SMT. Oh yeah, sorry guys. There was an OT also. Let me see where it's at. There was an OT right here. So right here to right here, it retraced on it. I saw that. So that's a lot of confirmation that hey, it's gonna go up. But I don't truly believe in OTs that much to just go off OTs. You know, I want like more confluence, bro, with my trades and stuff like that. So go to this. See what we did again. So it retraced on the EQ also. I mean, it already retraced on the EQ, but retraced on the EQ. And we're just gonna fucking say that, whatever. And then I'm on the 5 minute. Oops. I just want to see what this is gonna look like too. Like this trade, if I ended up trading up here, what would that be? Shitty risk reward. I'm happy I didn't do it. Good. I pulled the trigger when it was needed. Cause it so market grabbed liquidity down here. It retraced, kind of grabbed all of these like little scalp traders or whoever they were trying to fucking attack right now. Um, this on ES, it retraced also on a 5 minute fair value gap, which was cool. So honestly, I could have taken it right here too, but it was just so close. It would have gave me a shit risk to reward going to this. Like off this break of structure, it gave me a shit risk reward. So I just basically traded off this. This inverse. Well, it inversed it too. Actually, it wouldn't have gave me a better risk reward. I'm lying. I don't know. I just traded off this. Even though like I don't know, most times I do like to trade off whatever the fuck is like just skyrocketing, and that was ES. So I mean, I could have traded off ES or NQ on this 1 minute inversion because this had an inversion also, and then I could have got a 148. But I ended up trading off the lagging indicator right here, and then I ended up just once I was in the trade, I freaked out. Started to go back on me a little bit. Like this little candle right here. These candles fucking scared me. So I was like, all right, put my shit to break even. Put my shit to break even. And then I ended up taking partials, which if I didn't, obviously I'd have passed the account, but I did. I gotta let the psychology get to me to want to pass the account and shit. Which, like I said, I'm doing hypnosis videos. I'm gonna study fucking book still, bro. I'm study the shit out of it because you know, just doing what I don't take partials when I do. I do 1-to-1s. Like this is like a 2-8-3, but this is the only liquidity up here, like high time frame liquidity, London high. So I was like, yeah, that was my trade. Hopefully, I explained it. I explained it the best I could. Explain it. It'll get better. My explanation, but I mean, it retraced, took out this liquidity. Market always wants to take out liquidity before it goes up. I believe market likes to take out like low time frame liquidity. Like it probably took out the 1 minute, but yeah, it likes to take out low time frame liquidity, retrace in a nice 5 minute fair value gap or 3 minute, and then it likes to go up from there. So yeah, I locked myself out too, so I don't take any kind of crazy trades. So yeah, that was my trade. Just got to be disciplined, stick to my strategy, bro. Um, I've learned today. I gotta think more in probabilities, bro. I thought I was thinking in probabilities, but this is like a new step for me, passing an account. So it's like it's just new to me, and I think that's why like the my psychology got to me today because it's just so new to me. Wow, I'm gonna pass an account. Like been trading for a year to pass an account, and yeah, so it's cool. Stay humble. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.